friends, it's Emily, Fancy Sprinkles resident color queen, coming to you live with an incredible new development from Fancy Sprinkles. They are blessing us with Jelly Hues, this incredible high pigment food coloring gel. We're gonna swatch these bad boys out using Swiss Meringue Buttercream, and every baker and sprinkle snob knows that it's a notoriously difficult buttercream to color.
We're starting off strong with my favorite purple food dye that I've ever used. It's perfect straight out of the tube. I don't have to add any pink to it. I give it a 10 out of 10. This red is so bright that my attempt to show you color variation barely worked. And that's why I love it. It's super bright, and unlike other red food dyes, this one doesn't taste like anything. If you love Barbie pink as much as I do, may I suggest Malibu Pink? I love this pink because it has beautiful, cool blue undertones, which may sound crazy, but when you're as color obsessed as I am, these things make a difference. Casablanca Orange is the sleeper hit for me in this kit. At its deepest hue, it's this groovy hot orange, and then at the lightest tint, it's this dreamy creamsicle with all these gorgeous variations in between. This deep shade of green is for sure gonna get a workout during the holiday season, but right now I'm really into the lightest tint that I made. This perfect minty green is gonna look incredible next to the Malibu Pink. All right, my friends, you are ready to go into the world and make some beautiful colors. That's all I have for you today.